About to catch another flight. Yeah. The apple bottom make 'em wanna bite. Yeah. I just wanna have a good night.
This is my little small apartment / room for the night. Well, not for the night. It's really cute and cute and nice. I have some shampoo, some shower gel. I like the gold aesthetic. It's giving posh and rich. I've got my new. Just take a look at this hand wash. Not hand gel, hand wash. Like the bottle's so cute. Yeah, that's cute. Some toilet rolls, some air freshener to freshen up when you do your, you've got some hair dryers, more supplies, which is really nice. Clean your toilet, because some towels. The gold is given. It's giving what it's meant to give. I like this door. Like, let's just take a look at this. Like, I love the door. Yeah, and then you have chair, storage, teddy. I arrived at 8. It's quite late and dark. Coat hanger. We got one single bed and then a double bed, like sofa bed. So I think I'm gonna sleep there so I can stretch. Depends if the length is good for me. But yeah, and then you have kitcheneries, like kitchen items. Fridge, microwave. What's in the fridge? Oh, nothing. My own supplies. And then you have a washing machine, which makes sense because imagine if someone was staying like a week or so, you'd need to wash your stuff. And then you have like a mini study table where I'll be getting ready, eating, get ready, doing my work. You can see brought the laptop because there's a whole lot of work to be done. But yeah, guys, let me give you all 3. Let's open this. Yeah, 316. Really cold. Don't ask me why I've got sun shades, because I do.
So after settling in, I went out to town to grab myself dinner. Decided to have Italian dish because it's been a while. So I settled for the pasto, king prawn. You know me, everything I have has to have prawn in it. Anything seafood, I'm there. So this pasta was not too bad, but I had to take the sauce from the prawns because it gave it a bit of a oomph. And then after dinner, I took a walk down the street, just a night walk, just to see what's around the city or what's around the area. At first, I didn't know where it was. I was just like, oh, this is a nice place. This seems like the center. And then I was just looking for what to do online whilst I'm here in Lithuania. A little backstory about this bell tower. The bell tower acquired its current appearance in the beginning of 19th century. The bell tower is 52 meters tall and is a heritage symbol of Vilnius. The breathtaking paranormal view from the top of the tower includes 3 sculptures decorating the roof of the cathedral. From the bell tower, one can look at the bell exposure, the old city clock, and explore historic reconstruction of the bell tower and the cathedral. Today, it is not only popular for the magnificent paranormal view it offers, but also for the bell exposure and the opportunity to get to know the old city clock. Educational game, various excursions, and sightseeing meetings are organized in this Vilnius Cathedral bell tower. A brief history. 600 years ago, one of the oldest buildings in Vienna served as a defensive tower, and as the city expanded, it became a bell tower, a particular popular element of the Vilnius Cathedral. In the 17th century, a clock with two bells was placed in one of the oldest and tallest towers of the old town. The bigger bell signals the hour, while the smaller sounds out every quarter hour of the day. As the bell tower was repeatedly flooded during the Soror era, the cathedral did not function as a sanctuary, so the bell tower was like a picture gallery and was only associated with its clock. Okay guys, so I am back to my place. I forgot to show you guys this. So the host has left me some goodies, sweeties, and some basic needs, which is very nice of the host actually. So sugar, coffee, I think, or some specialty dishes, some salt, coffee, and my best of best 3-in-1 coffee. This I have to always take in the morning because you don't want to know. Oh yeah, and then some special Lithuania teas. I'm gonna try and read it in the language. I'm gonna look for the English if there is any. No English. Me no speak no English, basically. So I'm gonna make myself a hot drink, and yeah, pardon. I'm so tired. So I actually decided this time around I was gonna do accommodation, so like an apartment instead of hotel, because one, this is kind of like a reset holiday, so I don't want to have to rush, like to wake up to rushing for breakfast, so I miss breakfast. I wanted the freedom to be able to, like, if I wanted to cook or if I wanted to just buy stuff from outside and just keep up. And I didn't want to be limited to my food, so to my meals, as well as being rushed up in the morning for breakfast. And yeah, I wanted a home going from home. So this is my chance to reset, this is my chance to sleep. I'll wake up at any time because, you know, guess what? It's lazy. It's just lazy, you know, there's no little man, there's no school run, there's no after school club, there's no work for now. I mean, they're still working on the laptop, but again, sleep, wake up, refresh, do what I need to do, and then, you know, get going. So just gonna turn on the kettle, make myself some nice hot drink. Now, this is very cute and aesthetic, but I'm not too sure you can make a hot drink directly on it, so I'm not gonna even try. I see people do it, but again, I don't want to try it because this is not my stuff and I don't want to break it, because they're nice enough to give us this, so give me this, and put this in place for us, for the guests. So I'm not gonna break it, I'm just gonna wash one of the tea cups, and then make myself a hot drink and get ready for bed. But so far so good. Let me see. Oh yeah, guys, ignore me. I'm in the festive season already. I'm not even gonna lie. This is like the longest PJs I've got, and it's cold out here because we're still within the EU. We're still in Europe, and anyway in Europe it's cold at this time of the year. We're in November, just in case you're watching this video from another time. We're in November, so anyway in Europe it's super cold. So I had to get something nice and warm. But fortunately for me, this apartment is really warm, like super warm. I'm talking heated floor. I'm talking central heating, which I can't see where it's coming from. But it's really warm. I had to turn on the fan, and I don't do cold. See, I've had to turn on the fan. That's how nice and warm it is, you know. So yeah, guys. This is more of a relaxed reset trip than Dora the Explorer trip. So I'm actually just going by today. I haven't really planned anything much, again because I want to sleep and wake up at my own time. So if I was to have to book an activity, I would be rushed out for a certain time. So we're going as we go. We're going as the day goes.
as the Lord leadeth, we shall follow it. So, okay, yes. Do not forget, you guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time Easy Atkins upload new content. For now, like the cup says, enjoy the little things. Good night.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know